Children, let us do one more problem. It's a very simple problem. In this problem, we can find that only one partner is giving the guarantee to the other partners. So both the partners are not giving guarantee for the deficiencies. Okay, so Arun, Bobby and Chintu are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 2:2:1. According to the terms of partnership agreement, Chintu had to get a minimum of rupees 60,000 irrespective of the profit of the firm. So minimum there should be 60,000. The minimum guarantee given to Chintu is 60,000. Any deficiency to Chintu on account of such guarantee shall be borne by Arun. So Arun is a person who will met that deficiency, if any. Prepare the profit and loss appropriation account showing distribution of profit among partners in case the profit for the year 2006 are 2,50,000 and 3,60,000. So you have to prepare profit and loss appropriation in two cases. The one in which you are having profit of 2,50,000 and the other case is with 3,60,000. So let's discuss case 1 first. First of all, write the title, Profit and Loss Appropriation Account. Then two sides are the debit side and credit sides. Prepare a box with particular amount, particulars amount. The first item which will come under Profit and Loss Appropriation Account is the profit brought by Profit and Loss Account. Here you can write net profit 2,50,000. So first case is with profit 2,50,000. This profit of 2,50,000 as a working note, you have to show that 2,50,000 you are distributing to Arun, Bobby and Chintu in the ratio mentioned in the question, that is 2:2:1. As I told you, 2 plus 2 plus 1. That means out of that 5 pieces of cake, 2 is for Arun, 2 is for Bobby and 1 is for Chintu. So in that case, this is how you have to calculate 2 by 5. So fraction form you can write 2 by 5. So 2,50,000 into 2 by 5 will give you 1 lakh. For Bobby again same ratio, 2,50,000 into 2 by 5. And for Chintu it is 2,50,000 into 1 by 5. So doing this calculation you will get 1 lakh for Arun, 1 lakh for Bobby and 50,000 for Chintu. How much was the guarantee given to Chintu by Bobby? It was 60,000. But how much Chintu received after calculation? It was 50,000. So how much is the short? How much Chintu is short with his guarantee? 60,000 minus 50,000. So 10,000. Chintu should receive 60,000. But when you calculated, you came to know that he is getting only 50,000. So he is short by 10,000. Who have promised to give who have promised or guaranteed that any deficiency will be met by any deficiency of Chintu will be met by Arun. That was the sentence given at the starting of the question. So 10,000 is the deficiency which will be given by Arun. How much is Arun's profit? It is 1 lakh. So from his profit of 1 lakh, he will give 10,000 to Chintu. Now let us come to the solution part. To profit transferred to Arun's capital account. So from the working note we got that 1 lakh is Arun's capital. From this 1 lakh he is giving 10,000 to Chintu. So you have to write less Chintu's deficiency. After that is my subtracting from 1 lakh this 10,000, you will get 90,000. This is Arun's capital after giving his after meeting the deficiency of Chintu. Now to Bobby's capital it is 1 lakh, and for Chintu's capital you got 50,000. Now that deficiency is given by Arun. So 10,000, adding this 10,000 given by Arun, he will receive the guaranteed amount of 60,000. So this is case 1. Okay. Now after adding you will get 2,50,000, 2,50,000 in both the side. Now case 2 is 3,60,000 is the amount of profit. Let us see how to do this. You can see here, by profit and loss account, net profit is 3,60,000. When you distribute this to each of this partner, you can see 3,60,000 in 2:2:5 ratio. 2/5, it will give you 1,44,000. For Bobby, again 3,60,000 into 2/5, it will give you 1,44,000. And for Chintu's share of profit is 3,60,000 into 1/5, 72,000 is the answer. He was given guarantee of 60,000. So you can see here he is having more than the guarantee amount. Guarantee given was 60,000. But when you calculated, you found that Chintu is having more than what is given guarantee. So there is no case of working note, or none of the partner had to compensate their profit. Okay, because Chintu is actually receiving his share of guaranteed amount. So after writing that amount 72,000, you have to add this amount and 3,60,000. So very simple problem. So children, we are about to conclude this topic and also this chapter. Do practice this type of problem from your textbook. Attend the test paper attached along with this session. Meet you in the next class with a new chapter. Till then, goodbye. Take care.